Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off comments on TikTok. So if you don't want people to be able to comment on your TikTok videos, this is what you need to do. So I'm going to open up the TikTok app. Once you're on the For You page, you just want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. And then you want to select the second option, settings and privacy. From the settings and privacy page, you want to tap on the second option once again, which is privacy. So I'll do that. And once you're on this page, privacy page, just scroll down and you'll see the comments option right over there in the safety section. So I'm going to tap on comments, and it says about comments, others may not be able to comment on the videos that you don't allow in your videos privacy settings. So you have a couple of options here. Who can comment on your videos? You want to select no one, and then you have different comment filters, which is a different topic for a different video. So if you just want to turn off the comments on your TikTok videos, make sure that it's set to no one, just like I have it on screen right now. Then you can simply go back and enjoy TikTok, and people won't be able to comment on your TikTok videos. So I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.